else can shape your design. Every choice leaves marks in time. From silent thoughts to actions loud, you carve your path and stand out proud. Sharp contours form what you become. Every echo beats like a drum. Through every doubt, through every scar, you shape the truth of who you are. You're the sculptor of your life, cutting through the dark and light. Every moment leaves its mark, hearing dreams out of the dark. You're the sculptor, strong and true. No one else can shape but you. With every step your vision shows. With Ash we learn to see things clear. The strength we need is always here. Your mindset sharp like fire and flame. Discipline defines the game. From broken dreams to something whole, you shape the future from your soul. You're the sculptor of your life, cutting through the dark and light. Every moment leaves its mark, dark. You're the sculptor, strong and true. No one else can shape but you. With every step your vision shows. You are the art the whole world knows. Will shape the clay. The masterpiece is for